Everyone, today it's a vlog, okay, and today it's not actually a vlog. Today we're going to be opening 7 of these small packets. They have toys inside them. Each one has 2 inside them. Two of these inside them. 2 of these, okay, if you can't see that. It has 200 power, and I just won this golden beauty, and it's written on it special 3000 power. Holy, my god, it's so shiny you can't even see it, man. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. So the first one I'm going to be picking is this one. They're all silver packaging. Okay, see if I get any golden beauty. Oh my god! No! Guys, no way. Guys, no way. Guys, no way. Guys, no. No! Another one. I have 2 golden. Oh my god. This one has 2000 power special. It's the same. Oh my god. But it has 2000 power. Oh, and this one 800 power. But I can't believe it. 2 specials in a row. Okay, let's go with this one. This one is, I think it's going to be a little bit short video. No! No! Please stop! God! God! Oh my god, I have too much luck. Another special 3000 power. Dude! This is crazy. I'm getting all the lucks. And this one. It's just too crazy. I think I want to stop. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Gosh, yeah. Bye. Just joking, guys. I won't do that. I'm going to go with more. We have 5 left. Okay. So, let's open this one. If it's another one, I'm going to freak out. If it's another one. Okay. This time it's not that freaking special one. So I got these 2. I have this one already, I think. And this one I don't have. Okay, we didn't get anything. We didn't get 2 crazy things in there. Let's move on with the other one. Okay. Let's see. No, I don't have these. 600 power 50. This one has attack. Also this one. These 2 have attack 50 attack, 200 attack, 50 attack, 600 power. So sometimes they're different. They can have attack. Wow, we have 3 left. Guys, 3 left. Hopefully you get some good luck. Come on, we need some golden things in here. Okay, now this is opening me back. Okay, I think I opened it. Guys, this one is not, it's very hard to open. I saw something. It was not golden. So that means we don't get any gold. This one. Ah, come on, dude. Gotta go. Yep, no golden. I have both of these. This has 1500 power. Ooh, not too shabby. 600 power. 2 left. 2 left, guys. 2 left. I think I'm gonna use this one. Please, God, give me some luck. Please, please. No! No! It's the same one. I have this one already. No way! Guys, I have duplicates. See, I have both of them same, as well as this one, and one is difference only. Shoot, I'm getting golden beauty. Last one. Please, God, please, please give me some good luck. I want a different one, golden. I want a golden one, but different. No golden, but oh, this has a stain on it, man. Okay. Okay, 200 attack, same one. Have this all ready. Any left? Any I missed? No, well, that is it, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get my thumbnail, okay? Now I'm gonna get my thumbnail. I'm gonna get my thumbnail. Okay, there we go. We got our thumbnail. I can't believe the best full so far as this one. It's a special 2000 power. And the rest 3 are same. Wow. My god, man. So many good plus. Okay, but we got more regular rares than these good ones. No way. I didn't even see this one. It has something written on it. Break dance. Okay. Usually I've never seen anyone written on it something. How many power? 500. And these are the regular junks for the day. Yup. Regular junks. And Dookie. Okay, we have a big Dookie pile, then the amazing, glorious pile. And that concludes the video, and I'll see you guys later. Wait, before I end the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below when you're done. Also, don't forget to turn on the notifications so you can join my Devil Gang squad. Whatever you want to say, Devil Army. Yeah. So, we'll see you guys later. Peace.